Hi everyone and warm welcome to another wonderful video of the Credit Card Life. My name is Amit. With the help of this video, I want to talk about one of those crazy situations which some of my subscribers and of course a few people from the community of credit cards where they do not have a helping hand. I'm talking about a situation where a couple of individuals, one of my subscribers for sure, has received a kind of a biased approach from Federal Bank Scapia credit card, which is going absolutely lifetime free with an opportunity to grab an Apple Watch if you get approved and refer 5 people from that. So that is something we'll talk a little later, but then I want to talk about a particular description or particular information which I've gathered through one of my prime time members, and again one of the other individuals who has informed me through SMS and messages, and the allegation is pretty gross. So hear me out. Now, a member of my community was offered a credit card from the House of Scapia. Now, when I say House of Scapia, I mean to say Federal Bank. It's a very popular travel credit card. The person is a visually challenged, got approved, happens to have mind-boggling income, great civil score, and he applied for a credit card called Scapia. Got approved initially with a 500,000 limit and got a certain link such as video KYC and other links as well. The moment this gentleman applied over a call for a video KYC, the agent connected. Agent started speaking, so-called the initial formalities, and later the moment agent got to know that the person is visually challenged, they literally paused for a moment and said, we cannot go ahead to continue this particular KYC as you are not able to see, or you're not able to fulfill the specific criteria. And the person, the candidate who was applying, replied stating, yes, indeed, I'm visually challenged, but I have got all the credentials, I've got all the information, whatever you need with the help of this particular call, and I can definitely, with positive outcome, complete the VKYC. Can you help me? The agent took a pause for 5 to 6 seconds, spoke to his or her team member, and after speaking to his particular team member, she again got back and started communicating. Now, the candidate who has applied for this particular card kept convincing that if you have any concerns, if you have any queries, I am ready to fulfill in-person KYC. I'm ready to commit to any documentation, anything you want in person, if the video KYC is not favorable because of my certain challenges. He even committed over a call saying that if I am not at all a person who is eligible for this card, then how come I got approval or tentative limit of 5 lakhs and more? And I have mentioned everything what they required over a form. So if I'm fulfilling all the criteria, how can you disapprove me, or why can we not go ahead and probably complete this in-person KYC, if not the VKYC? The customer individual took a pause one more time, probably was speaking to his colleague, and later, mind you all, later, even before they could say that we will not be able to approve or take this forward, she literally disconnected the call without giving any prior information to the individual who was already approved with a limit of 500, that's a 5 lakhs. Now, the $1 million question over here is this the way we treat our customers? Forget about somebody is visually challenged, or somebody who is not able to, has listening power, or somebody has certain challenges. How can we become so rude and so annoying and not support individuals, those who have great income? They are well read, they understand every single bits from the House of Economics, from the House of Credit Card Department, from the Civil, and they already have American Express. If a person has American Express, why the hell you cannot offer him or her so-called a card from Federal Bank Scapia? Is it a rocket science to get Scapia? I don't think so. So the person got no response, no prior intimation, and the call was closed without informing him any further communication. And the moment he dropped the call, he got a message stating on his phone that his VKYC and the status of his credit card has been rejected. Now, the only question which I have, and I would like to, take it out on behalf of all the visually impaired, let's say, challenged people, that if they have the money, if they have the power, if they have the credentials, who the hell are you, so-called the bankers, not to give them a card? If you do not want to give them a card, straight away deny it. But let us not insult people, especially the individuals who are already facing a lot of challenges, a lot of hardship with their demeanor, with their overall persona. I think we as an individual have all the right to protect, help, and give them any kind of commitment they deserve. I would really want all of you, I don't say this much on my video, I want all of you to please pass on this message, a video, to people, those who are visually challenged, those who wish to get a credit card. Mind you all, American Express is one such fabulous credit card team wherein they invite and give special attention to people, those who are visually challenged. If you have any questions, write it to me. If you have any concerns, let me know. I'm also going to put another RBI Ombudsman escalation. Right, so I'm going to put out an email address of RBI Ombudsman under this particular video. Go to it and complain in case if you are a kind of a recipient of such unwanted reception. Apart from that, I'm also sending the link of lifetime free credit card under my particular video description. Go check out and do try Federal Bank SKPI credit card if you're looking to grab Apple Watch for free after getting approval and referring 5 people from your bucket. Till we meet again, you take care and thanks for watching.